here is the puddling slide. So this butterfly is taking nutrients from the soil, it filters it out, and the water without any mineral is released out. So this is the water which is released out. Instant process. It is filtering out, keeping the minerals and throwing the water out. So if you pay attention to a puddling butterfly, you will observe it many times. That it will keep puddling for maybe half an hour. Within half an hour, maybe 20 seconds, one drop. With that rate, it might be releasing the liquid. So this is puddling. What else? So we discussed some plants are nectar plant as well as the host plant. So this particular flower called as a yellow alder, it is a nectaring plant as well as a host plant. So it is being nectared by a common crow butterfly, and it is a nectar plant, a host plant for tawny coaster. So this caterpillar belongs to the tawny coaster butterfly. This plant is poisonous. Okay, so the caterpillar is also poisonous. So typically birds do not eat it. Okay, it's toxic.
And is it possible to make out the butterfly species by looking at the this one?
Yes, of course. Yeah, of course. Looking at the caterpillar, you will know what species it belongs to most of the time. Now, next what we have is one very interesting butterfly. This is a painted lady. It's called as a painted lady. And the fact is, it is a world traveler. Okay, I am saying it's a world traveler. It travels across the world. And I also mentioned that the lifespan of butterflies is 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks. That's it, not beyond that. Then how it is traveling the entire world, which it will require, lot of, time, right? Okay, so how do they do it? They do it based on their different generations. Okay, so one generation will travel little bit further. Okay, they will breed there, the adults will die, next generation will go, and this is forward journey, the reverse journey also happens. Then the question is, how do they know the path? So they have some knowledge of the magnetic fields and all. Based on that, they do the traveling. There are a lot of unknown things. We need scientists like you to start venturing into this and start experimenting, start collecting the data and all. Okay. So this is one of the, so that is painted lady. This is pentas flower. So I have the sampling with me. Unfortunately, this is not there. I didn't see it in your garden. So we need to request your management to plant hedges of this pentas. This is pentas. One of the most beautiful, striking, varied color. So you get at least 4 colors in this. So you can make a very beautiful gardening, landscaping with that. This is garden lantana. People typically have a negative approach for lantana, saying this is invasive. Garden lantana is not invasive. The wild lantana, which has those typical yellow color flowers, that is wild, that is invasive, that propagates with the seeds. This flower doesn't get, this plant doesn't get any seeds, so it doesn't propagate through birds. This is banded awl. This is Dinka Raja, the very famous plant for butterflies. This is, you can say, brother of Ratrani. You all know Ratrani. Ratrani blooms at night, Dinka Raja blooms at daytime. Had Aditi Garden has 10 plants of Dinka Raja, you will see a lot of butterflies. So that is another plant they should have. Which plant is this? This is Haldi Kumkum, being nectared by a lemon immigrant butterfly. Which is this plant?
We call chakri.
Chakri, okay. Some people call it Chandani. The typical name is Tagar. Okay, this is also having that white juice and all. So this is also slightly toxic, but this is very good nectar and host plant. You all know this plant?
Grass.
Okay, this is a grass, this is a weed. Okay, this is Dagad Phool. So the typical thing for butterfly garden is, if you just fence one area and don't touch it, you will see butterflies coming there. You don't have to do anything, just protect it. So this is the, that Dagad Phool or Tridex plant. This is another plant called as a Nirgudi. Okay, so this also should be planted to attract more and more butterflies. I think that's all we had. Okay, now we'll move to some more fruitful area where there are